40 grams of protein under 450 calories and absolutely zero protein powder. These bowls are designed for easy meal prep to make your fitness and weight loss journey effortless. These dessert-inspired jars take under 10 minutes to prep. Stick around for the second bowl, our strawberry cheesecake overnight oats, to see that secret for that authentic cheesecakey flavor. Let's get started. I'm laying up 3 mason jars and we are starting with the dry ingredients first. Oats, chia seeds for that omega-3 boost, pinch of salt, and monk fruit sweetener. Be mindful of your sweeteners. Even natural ones carry calories, so stick to the quantities in the description to keep your macros on point. Then I'm adding in the wet ingredients, soy milk, and a splash of vanilla. This is our base for all the 3 jars. Now let's build the flavor profiles. For the red velvet, here's a pro tip. Whisk your cacao powder into a tablespoon of hot water first. It prevents clumps and ensures that deep chocolate flavor hits every single oat. For our strawberry cheesecake, we are making a cheesecakey base. Throw Greek yogurt, low-fat cottage cheese, and lemon zest into a blender. This blended cottage cheese is the ultimate hack for that silky, rich texture. Finally, for the tiramisu, whisk your instant coffee into hot water before adding it. This ensures even distribution so every bite tastes like a high-end cafe. I'm adding in Greek yogurt to the red velvet jar to make it extra creamy. And for the tiramisu jar, I'm using non-fat Skyr. It's thicker and creamier, so it suits tiramisu perfectly. We are letting these rest overnight to reach that perfect pudding consistency. Honestly, these are so indulgent that you can celebrate Valentine's Day without a second thought. It's morning and the bases are perfectly set. For red velvet, mash raspberries with red dragon fruit powder. You can also use beetroot powder for more depth, totally optional. Plus a tiny dash of maple syrup to balance the tartness. It creates this vibrant tart puree. Fold the tin, top it with white chocolate chips, and you're done. Macros are on screen, but here's the breakdown. Red velvet is about 417 calories with 40 grams of protein. For the cheesecake, fold in fresh strawberries and top it with granola for that crust crunch. This jar is about 451 calories with 40.5 grams of protein. For tiramisu, I'm doing a coffee cacao blend. Same method, hot water, instant coffee, plus a little cacao this time. Add it in, gently mix, top it with granola and cacao nibs, then finish with cacao dusting. And if you want it extra tiramisu style, you can layer more Skyr and cacao on top. And this jar is about 433 calories with 40.4 grams of protein. Look at these numbers. Each jar is hitting around 40 grams of protein and roughly 450 calories, all from whole foods. Let me know which flavor are you trying first. Follow the exact measurements in the description to get that pudding-like structure. Eat well, love yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.